In this video, we are going to see the unique solution for this missing number problem. So the solution takes order of n time and order of one space and uses the concept of XOR, which is bit manipulation, or like binary, like working on binary bits. So uh, the concept of XOR is simple. If we can which do XOR of two same numbers, it will result out to 0. And if we can XOR of two different numbers, it would be different, like 2 XOR 3. If you do a 2 XOR 3, it would be like 1 0 XOR 1 1, which would be, so if we bits were same, the result would be 1. And if the bits were different, sorry, if the bits were same, the result would be 0, and the bits were different, the result would be 1. So here the last bits, first we need to check the last bits, 0 and 1, which is, so both the bits are different, so the result would be 1. And if we consider these two bits, 1 and 1, the result would be 0, which will eventually give us 1. If you can like turn, if you change it to decimal, and if we consider something like this XOR of 5 with 6, this will result us to 6. 5 and 5 would eventually result out to 0, and 6 would be the answer for this. So we are going to use this concept to solve this. So how we are going to do this is, like, just take n equal to nums dot length, and we are going to take two numbers, XOR 1 and XOR 2. So XOR 1 will contain the XOR of all the elements of the array, which is 3 XOR 0 XOR 1, and XOR 2 will contain the XOR of first and natural numbers including 0 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 3. And we are going to XOR 1 XOR 2. We are going to do this, so it should be like 3 XOR 0 XOR 1 XOR 0 and XOR 2 XOR 3, and 3 XOR 3 would be 0 XOR 0 would be 0, 1 XOR 1 would be 1, and 2 would be the remaining, which is a missing number, which will result out to 2, the XOR of these two. So it's quite simple. Well, I'll just write the code. And in the end, we should XOR 2 with n, because and wouldn't should, like, n might not have been XORed over here, then so we need to XOR it over here. Then we need to return the XOR of these two. And if you run this, yeah, there should be a comma over here. Yeah, and there's one more solution which is better than this. Like, just need to change this. So XOR 1 equal to XOR 1 XOR nums of 5 XOR I. What we are doing over here is we are just going to XOR, like, instead of doing it separately, we are just going to do it to the same variable. We can just remove this. Here XOR 1 would be there. The solution would be XOR 1 only. We can remove this also. So what is happening over here is, like, all the numbers would be XOR with the respective indices, and the last index would also be XORed with the result that came out of this loop. So there will only be one number which wouldn't be XORed. Like here 2 was not XORed. So when we are XORing the indices, 2 would also be XORed over there, but not during this operation. So 2 would be XORed only once, and so the XOR 1 variable would contain that value 2. If you go ahead and run this, yeah, it's working fine, and submit. Yeah, beats 100%. So that's all for this video. Keep watching my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.